This is Ron at Lincorp Borchert talking to you today about a kitchen, laundry room, and powder room remodel in Bloomfield Hills. We installed a cabinet wall that includes built-in appliances and a counter-depth refrigerator. The hood in the kitchen was vented to the outside to help keep odors out of the house. The appliance garage helps hide items like a can opener or coffee maker. We installed a Kohler sink and faucet in this project. We also put in an air switch, which makes it easy to quickly turn on the disposal. The laundry room in this house was very tight, so we were able to build in the washer and dryer and put in the cabinetry and countertop to make the space very functional. There's also a drip dry over the sink. The powder room has a beautiful backlit mirror and a furniture type of cabinetry with a quartz countertop. All cabinetry in the kitchen, laundry room, and half bath have soft closed doors and drawers. If you have a project of your own in mind, we'd be happy to discuss it with you. Please reach out to us at lincorpborchert.com.